Hello everyone. So let us continue our journey of mastering eazyBI, and in this video we'll continue doing what we were doing earlier. So we were actually working on date difference, and there are a couple of things that I want to share today. For example, if you write, and by the way, the calculated measure is already there for you, but I'll do it again. So the first thing is that if you want to, especially for those people who are new to this, new to eazyBI and MDX, you can actually start. You don't need to read any documentation, although there is a link here, which of course you should, but you don't have to always read the documentation, become an expert, and then come back. Just start doing it, right, and learn it along the way. So what you need to do, you just need to type in here things that you think are relevant. For example, if you're trying to do something with date or days or difference, so just type in here like date diff, and what we're trying to do, we are trying to use date diff work days. Like we want to calculate the working day difference, and in this video what we'll do, we'll create this measure to display since how long this issue has been since how many days since the issue was created, right? Simple, right? Let us say if the issue was created 2 days ago, so based on the creation date and based on the current date, which is today's date, we'll calculate. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to, of course, fetch the issue created date. And by the way, when you're working with this interface, don't worry about the space. You can always, I try to have multiple lines here so that it is easier to read. Of course, you can expand, but it's like one additional step. So you have, of course, more space, but usually I think you should probably try to stick to this width and make your formula or whatever you're doing calculations here, make it like vertical. It is a bit more readable, and it works all the time perfectly. So for this particular case, instead of using, I can write the whole thing in one line, but I'll split it. So the first thing is issue created date. So issue created date. So as I was saying, you shouldn't try to use these methods, and it is all autocomplete. It will give you suggestions. So you are actually in safe hands. The other date is today's date, which is, I'm not really sure if I ever showed you. You just need to use now. That is it. And maybe just make it a bit more neat so that we have, of course, it looks good. Don't waste time, waste spaces, because it will consume some memory, I guess. I don't know, but keep it neat. All right, that is it actually. If you click on the, if you look at the column here, it is showing us the difference between these two dates, now to today's date and the issue creation date. For example, if you look at this one, July 13th, till now it is not 15 days but 15 work days. So which is, I think, fine. And yeah, that is it. Simple, right? eazyBI is not difficult, but if you learn eazyBI, you can definitely ask your manager to pay you more, because, or just tell them, yeah, refer them to my video, because it's a good skill to acquire. When people look at these reports, they solve a problem, they take decisions. It makes their life a lot more easy, and you are saving money, so you should ask for more money. All right, that is it. Bye bye.